6 women have filed a civil lawsuit against the University of Maryland medical system, accusing them of negligence.
Now, they allege a pharmacist hacked hospital and home cameras to watch them. Investigative reporter Tolly Taylor joins us now live downtown.
And Tolly, you spoke exclusively with the attorneys representing the women.
Yeah, the attorneys say that the invasion of privacy that their clients have experienced has been traumatizing. The pharmacist able to spy on them at work and at home over at least 8 years. Have you ever come across a case like this before?
I mean, this is, the voyeurism in this case is to like a magnitude that we haven't seen.
In more than a decade practicing law, attorney Cindy Morgan says she's never seen or heard of a case like this one. A lawsuit filed Thursday accusing a pharmacist at the University of Maryland medical system of spying on more than 80 men and women over at least 8 years. Why file this civil suit before criminal charges are filed?
Our clients and the victims of this suit are rightfully terrified that he is accruing more victims. And so this suit was brought, primarily to protect other victims from suffering future harm.
UMMS sent an email on October 1st notifying employees of a significant data breach by an inside actor, but no more details were offered. Then the FBI began contacting people, showing them personal photos and videos the pharmacist had obtained. Morgan says UMMS knew more than it shared with employees.
We think that they were on notice of this issue for at least several weeks to potentially several years before this issue came to light. Victims didn't know that he was actively surveying them in their homes or that they were being actively surveyed in the center.
Morgan says the pharmacist used keystroke software to gain access to usernames and passwords, gaining access to their work and home computers, watching them. The lawsuit accuses UMMS of negligence for failing to prevent or detect the spyware that was loaded on 400 computers.
Healthcare facilities are subject to statutory requirements because they store protected health data. There must have been a complete failure on the institution's part to have any type of firewalls or safety measures in place to protect the employees.
The pharmacist did not respond to multiple calls requesting comment. 11 News Investigates is not naming him because he is not criminally charged. In a statement to 11 News Investigates, UMMS says they are disappointed and angered by the individual's actions, adding in part, which is why we have worked collaboratively over the past several months with the FBI and U.S. Attorney's Office, who are engaged in an active criminal investigation.
He viewed and recorded some of the victims breastfeeding their children, having sex with their spouses. For this to go on for so long and impact so many people, and for him to have compromised, 400 individual computer stations, it's almost unimaginable.
Now, the pharmacist left or was fired last fall and is currently working at another medical institution in Baltimore. And that's why Morgan says this lawsuit had to be filed now to alert the public. New at 6, how long the FBI has been investigating this pharmacist. For 11 News Investigates, I'm Tolly Taylor.